Hello students, welcome to Intuition Education. So today we will solve a problem from thermodynamics. So let's see the problem. The problem tells us a horizontal cylinder closed from one end is rotated with a constant angular velocity omega about a vertical axis passing through the open end of the cylinder. The outside air pressure is equal to P naught, the temperature to T, and the molar mass of air to m. Find the air pressure as a function of the distance r from the rotation axis. The molar mass is assumed to be independent of r. So let's solve the problem. So here we have drawn a diagram. Here you can see that we have the axis drawn by the red line and the elementary area by purple color. This element has a width dr and it is at a distance r from the axis, and the cylinder has a cross section S. So let the volume of the element equals to dV, and we know dV equals to area into width, so S into dr, and let the mass of the element equals to dm. So we can equate these two things. Dm equals to rho dV and dV equals to, as we know, S dr. So let's just put. So we get dm equals to rho S dr. Now let the pressure difference between two sides of the element equals to dP. So it will generate a force that is denoted by dF, and dF equals to S dP, where S is the cross section and dP is the pressure difference. Now this pressure generates a centrifugal force which is dm into omega square r, where dm is rho S dr. Now let equate these two expressions. So we get dP into S equals to rho S dr omega square r, from where we have dP equals to rho omega square r dr. Now remember the relation from gas equation. Rho equals to Pm by RT. So let's just put. So we get dP equals to Pm omega square r divided by RT into dr. Now simply just rearrange this thing. dP by P equals to m omega square by RT into r dr. So simply integrate this expression. So in the left hand side, the integration limits are P naught to P, where P naught is the initial pressure, and in the right hand side the limit is from 0 to r. So by integrating this, we will have ln P by P naught equals to m omega square by 2RT into r square. So now taking the anti-log, we will have P equals to P naught exponential of m omega square r square by 2RT. So this is our required solution. So if you enjoy this video, then please like, share, and please subscribe our channel, and we'll meet on the next video. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you.